earn $50 and even more than that, completely free strategy that you can use. This works worldwide. 614 at the rate of $5. Hello YouTube family, what's up? Welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can earn $50 and even more than that with a single click of your mouse or a single tap on your phone. And guys, this is the completely free strategy that you can use. No investment is needed, no money is needed. You don't need to pay any money to use these strategies and method. And guys, the beautiful thing in this method is that you can work this wherever you are from this world. This works worldwide. One of my subscribers asked me to make videos that work in the India. So guys, here this is the video that works worldwide. You can do and earn money online using this method and strategy wherever you are in this world. And guys, one more thing that I want to say is that this strategy not only works in the laptop or PC, this also works in the mobile phone. You can also use this strategy and method of making money online from your mobile phone, from your smart Android mobile phone also. So guys, to know exactly what to do in this strategy and earn money, you need to stay to the end of this video. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel till now, there is a red subscribe button below. You can subscribe to my channel. And now, without being late, let's jump into our video. Warning guys, this video is highly compressed to make this video more informative and educational, so stay to the end of this video without skipping any single step what I say, otherwise you will not be able to earn and make money online. So now let's begin. So now guys, as you can see here in my desktop screen, there is a website called colorize.sg, and this is the website where you can turn black and white color into a colorful photo. And I will show you exactly how you can sell these colorful photos in a high price. To know these all the things, stay to the end of this video. Guys, as you can see here, it is said that upload a black and white photo. This is the place where you need to upload your black and white photo and convert into a colorful photo. So now here, as you can see here, it is said that I'm not a robot, so click in that. And now guys, you can see here, select a photo option has a pop-up into our screen, and I will show you. So now guys, I'm here to give you a small example by downloading some black and white photos. And as you know, this is the Pixabay website. This is the website where you can download free images, photos and video clips, and you don't need to pay any money for that. And these all are royalty free and money free. So now let me download some photos from here. As you can see here, many of the photos are black and white. And so now let me download this photo. To download the photos from here, you need to click on free download, and I'm gonna smash download this. So now here guys, as you can see, our photo has been downloaded, and let me open that photo, so in a folder. So now guys, we are again in the Colorize SG, and here let me click on I'm not a robot. And now here to select and upload a photo, we need to click on the select photo. And now here I'm gonna choose the photo that I have downloaded just now. And now guys, here you can see our photo has been uploaded, and here you can see this is the black and white photo that we had downloaded just now. And here you can see it has been colorized very nicely. By changing the position of this bar, you can see here the difference between the black and white and the colorized photo, and you can make this in a single click. And now guys, I'm gonna download this photo. To download the photo, you can simply click on the download result button, red button below the photos. And now you can see here our photo has been downloaded. And guys, if you want to download the comparison like this in the format, then you can download simply in the download comparison button. And guys, if you want to colorize the new photos, additional photos like this, then you need to simply click on the color new photo button that is in the black color. I will also show you adding a new photo here, additional photo, but for that I need to download again the new photo. Let me download this photo. To download, I simply click to free download and download. And guys, now our photo has been downloaded. Now I will close this, and again I need to go to Colorize SG, and to upload a new photo I need to click on the color new photo, and then I need to click on the captcha so that I can prove that I am not a robot. And now here again the select a photo button has pop up on our screen. Now select that, and again I'm gonna select the photo. And guys, you can do this with a simple single click. As you can see here, it has already uploaded our photo and the result is in our screen. You can see here. Isn't it awesome, guys? You can do this. You can change the background, you can change the color of the photo in a single click, and you don't need to pay any money, no investment. And guys, I will show you where you can sell your these services, these kind of skills and services for $20 and even more than that. Many people are selling these all the skills. I will show you. Stay with me to the end of the video. I will show you where you can sell these all the things. Similarly, as we did in the previous photo, we need to click on the download result, and you can download. If you want the comparison between these photos, simply like this, then you need to click on the download comparison button and color new photo. This is the button to add a new photo. And guys, the second website that I'm gonna share with you in this video is remove.bg. And guys, this is the website where you can turn your background into PNG form. That means you can remove the background of the picture. And guys, this is also as simple as colorize SD, because this is completely free, and you can do this by simple with a click, and you don't need to sign up. You don't need to even sign up in these two websites to have your work done. So here, to upload your picture, you need to click on the upload image that is on the blue button, blue color, and let me choose this photo that we had downloaded from the Pixabay. So now guys, as you can see here, with a single click of the button, the result is in the screen. You can see here. Guys, isn't it awesome? If you are loving this video, then smash and hit the red subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, and also guys, hit the like button just now. And guys, to download this image, you need to simply click on the download that is in the blue color, and you can see here our picture has been downloaded. To open this, I need to open, and now guys, as you can see, our end result is on the screen. You all can see here. This is as a proof for you all. And now guys, I'm gonna show you where you can sell these all the skills, these all the knowledge, and convert it into money. Now here guys, this is the website where you can sell your services and earn $25 or even more than that with the skills that I have already taught you before. Here guys, as soon as you enter the fiverr.com in the Google Chrome, this window is gonna pop up, and here you need to click on the join button. And now here guys, as you can see, you can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or simply enter your email here. As you enter the email, this window is gonna pop up, and here you need to choose your username and enter your password. And guys, here after entering your username and password, you need to click on the button that is just below the password button. Now here guys, you enter to the fiverr.com. So now here guys, as soon as you enter to the website fiverr.com, you need to click on the become a seller button that is on the top of the website. And guys, after clicking there, you can see here work your way. You bring the skill, we will make earning easy. And here is the become a seller button in the green color, and you need to click on that. And guys, after clicking on that, this window is gonna pop up, and now here continue, and again you need to click on the continue button, here to continue button. So now in this page, we need to fill up here our personal information. It has asked here full name, first name, last name, profile picture, description, language. And after filling up this all the things here, you need to click on the continue button that is in the below, that is on the bottom of this page. As you can see here, it is on the green, and after clicking here, you are good to go. So now here guys, as soon as you are here in the fiverr.com, you can see here the search button, and here you need to type here the colorized photo and then search. And now guys, you can see here different people from the different countries of the world are selling these services. As you can see here, this photo lab one seller has a rate of $10, and you can see here 36 reviews it has got, and 5.0 reviews, 5 stars it has got. And here guys, as you can see here, this user, it has said that I will clean up, color, correct or repair any photo in Photoshop. You can see here the rate is $125. Isn't it cool guys? And guys, here you can see Jalot Pai, this is the another seller. Here you can, since he is the level 1 seller, still he is having $5 rate. And guys, you can see here 614 reviews. He has got 4.9 star he has got. And as you, so now here guys, let me do a little of math. 614 at the rate of $5. As you can see here, he has been able to earn here $3,070 just by just changing the black and white photo into a color photo. You can also be the same guy earning even more than this money using the same tactics that I have taught previously for you. So now guys, here this is the way how you can earn $25, $125, even up to $125 with a single photo using the same technique and method that I have taught to you. So now guys, here let me teach you the second method of earning money online. For that, you need to go to the Google and type here people per hour, peopleperhour.com. This is the official website. So now here guys, this is the second website where you can earn money with a single click of your mouse. To get started here in the peopleperhour.com, you need to click on the freelancer. And now here guys, as soon as you click on the freelancer, this window is gonna pop up, and here you should not click on the I want to hire as a freelancer. You need to click here I want to work as a freelancer, since we are here to earn and make money online. So you need to click on this button I want to work as a freelancer, that is on the blue color, and then you need to click here. Either you can sign up with Facebook, or you can simply sign up with email. You need to put here your first name, last name, email, and then password, and click on sign up button. So now here guys, as soon as you come to the people per hour website, you need to click here you need to type background remover. You can see here guys, this user has been earning $25 by just removing the background. You can also do this simple using the strategy and the technique method that I have taught you before. And now here guys, you can see this user has been starting with $10, and you can see here $30. So now guys, here you can see different people from the different countries of the world are using the same strategy and making money online, even $30 with a single. So now guys, here this is the second strategy and method using which you can make money online and earn some decent money. And guys, you can also make this a passive income. And guys, the most beautiful part in this method and technique is that you can work from your laptop, and also you can work from your smartphone, so that if you don't have laptop or PC, you can also start earning and making money online through your mobile phone. Guys, if you loved the video, then hit the like button below. Guys, if you have already subscribed to the channel, then I want to say thank you for those people. And guys, those who have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit or click the red subscribe button below, and also turn on the notification bell so that I can notify you whenever I upload new videos on making money online. In this channel, we upload daily videos on making money online and new strategies and method that gonna help you make money online. So if you don't wanna miss those strategies and methods, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell button right now. And guys, if you loved this video, there is another video teaching you making money online on our channel. You can visit our channel now.